Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about question number 27 of CBSE important question for class 12. These this question are important for exam point of view. So let us discuss according to the psychologists. The ability of a person to understand spatial concept is given by this, where t is the age in year and t belongs between this, so that the rate of increase of the ability to understand spatial concept decrease with age in between 5 and 18. So let us understand the solution of this question. It is given a is equal to 1 over 3 square root. So differentiate this equation with respect to t. So it will become dA over dt is equal to 1 over 3 e raised to the power 1 by 2. So now this 1 by 6 e raised to the power minus 1 by 2 dA over dt. Again differentiate with respect to t. So this equation d2a over dt square is equal to 1 by 6, and differentiation of this minus 1 by 2 t raised to the power minus 3 by 2. So you all know the differentiation of x raised to the power n. So now d2 a over dt square minus 1 over 12 e raised to the power 3 by 2. So this negative sign represent this d2a over dt square less than is equal to 0. So this relation talk about for all the value of t belongs between 5 to 18, or we also consider in this one. So this mean that the rate of change of ability according to the question to understand spatial concept decrease, to understand ability to decrease spatial concept decrease with the age of this ability to understand spatial concept decrease with age between 5 and 80. So you can also use here this. So basically this is a solution of this question. Now let us understand the another one. Next question. Question number 28. An ant is moving along the vector this. Few sugar crystals are kept along the vector this, which is inclined at an angle theta with the vector L1. Then find the angle and also find the scalar projection of L1 vector on L2. So let us understand the solution of this question. L1 vector is given and L2 vector is also given. With the help of these two vectors, we should find angle between these two. So we all know the angle between these two, cos theta vector L1 vector L2 over, basically this is a formula to find the angle between two vectors. So now we have to put the value of L1 and L2 in the vector form and find the dot product. And now the magnitude of both vector we should find if we find here. So magnitude of L1 vector will become, coefficient of I is 1, so 1 is square plus this is minus 2 square, so it will become 4, and 3 square it will become 9. This is a square root of 14, and similarly for the L2 magnitude will be 9 plus 4 plus 1. This is also 14. We have to put it here is square root 14 and square root 14. And now find the dot product of two vector in the numerator. So this is 3 and minus 2 multiply with minus 2, so plus 4, and 3 multiply with 1. So this is a 3 over 14. So basically the cos theta is equal to 10 over 14, and now so the theta is equal to cos inverse, sorry, 5 by 7. So this is the angle between these two L1 and L2 vector. Now and the second part is also find the scalar projection of L1 on L2. So now the second part of this question, scalar projection of L1 vector on L2 is equal to L1 vector dot L2 vector magnitude of L2 vector. This is a formula for this question. So we have already find the dot product of L1 and L2 here. So basically this is a 3 plus 4 plus 3. So we have to put it here. And now L2 is square root 14. So this is a 10 over square root 14. So basically this is a scalar projection of L1 on L2. So this is the answer, second answer for this question, and this is a first answer. This is angle between L1 and L2 vector, and this is a projection L1 on L2 vector. So this is an explanation of the question number 28A. Now let us discuss about the question number 28B. Find the vector and the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of the line that pass through this point and is perpendicular to the line this and this. So let us understand the solution of this question. In this question, two lines vector are given. We have to one by one put what is given in this question. The vector equation of a line passing through the point position vector A. Suppose we know that vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. This is a equation. Now this line passed through point. This passed through point minus 1, 2 and 7. Line passed through this point. So A is equal to vector A this according to this point. Now after that given is these two lines are given, so we have to put it here. Now plus 5k and next one is 3j unit vector minus 7k plus mu 3 2j unit vector plus 5k. Basically these are given. And this is a relation to equation number 2. So vector B is with the help of these two, we have to find the vector B. So vector parallel, it is given by, first of all, we find the vector B, or we can also find the B1 and B2. Because of that, line equations given, two line equations are given. So according to this, this one is a B1 and this one is a B2. We have let this is a B1 and this is a B2. So first of all, find if the vector, so we have to find B1 cross B2. So in this, if we want to find the cross product, so this is a procedure to find the, with the help of determinants. So this is 1 and this is 3, and now this is 2 minus 2 and 5, and this is 5. Coefficient I, here I coefficient is 1 and here is 3. So we have put it here 1 and 3, and here the coefficient of j unit vector is 2 and here minus 2. So just put it here 2 and minus 2. And after that, the unit vector k is here 5 and here 5. So just solve it. And we should find the b vector. Suppose the cross product of b1, b2 is b. So vector b is equal to, just find pi unit vector multiply 10 plus 10 minus j unit vector 5 minus 15 plus k minus 2 minus 2 minus 6. So this is a 20 I unit vector plus 10 j unit vector and minus 6 to 8 8. So this is a b vector. Now after that, for the vector equation, now for vector equation, now for vector equation. So R is equal to, from equation first, A is given minus I plus 2j. We have to find already 7k from equation number two, and plus lambda p. This is a third one. So 20 I unit vector plus 10 j unit vector minus 8 k unit vector. This is from third equation and this is from second equation. We have already find it. This is A. And the value of vector A and vector B we should put in this question number 1. So we just put it here. We can write here from equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we can arrange this one minus I unit vector plus 2j unit vector plus 7 k unit vector. We can take 2 common from here. So 2 lambda, this will become 10 plus 5 j unit vector minus 4 k unit vector. Now let minus I unit vector plus 2 j unit vector plus 7 k unit vector plus mu, another constant. So 10 I unit vector plus 5 j unit vector minus 4 k unit vector, where mu is equal to 2 lambda. So basically this is a vector form of this. This is a first answer. This is a vector form. Vector form, and now converting this in the Cartesian form. This vector form, now for the Cartesian form, we can write like that: x minus minus 1, this unit vector, coefficient of this. After that, this coefficient. And now y, this coefficient come with this, and this coefficient come here. And now z minus 7 will come with minus 4. So this equation, basically we can write x plus 1 over y minus 2 over 5 and z minus 7 over minus 5. This is a Cartesian form of this vector equation. So basically these are this is a one answer, and this is another answer for this question. So I hope you understand this question and all these questions. So you can solve and practice, and These all questions are important for exam point of view. So thank you so much.